Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Find the x values at which the tangent line to h of x equals 2x cubed minus 12x is horizontal. Now let us work through the solution step by step. A tangent line is horizontal exactly when its slope is 0. Since the derivative gives the slope of the tangent line at every point, we need to find where h prime of x equals 0. We differentiate h of x equals 2x cubed minus 12x using the power rule. The derivative of 2x cubed is 6x squared, and the derivative of 12x is 12. So h prime of x equals 6x squared minus 12. We set 6x squared minus 12 equal to 0. Adding 12 to both sides gives 6x squared equals 12. Dividing by 6 gives x squared equals 2. Taking the square root of both sides, x equals positive or negative square root of 2. Let's verify both answers. Plugging square root of 2 into h prime gives 6 times 2 minus 12, which equals 0, confirmed. Plugging negative square root of 2 in gives the same result, 0, confirmed. Both values are correct. The final answer is x equals positive square root of 2 and x equals negative square root of 2. The corresponding points on the curve are the square root of 2, negative 8 times the square root of 2, and negative square root of 2, 8 times the square root of 2. At these two x values, the tangent line to the curve is perfectly horizontal, with slope 0. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.